There is word going around that Ripple could win its case against the SEC at any time. People, this is really shocking news. Even though the price isn't great right now, the pros are still determined to win. You won't believe what they say, but they think the price of XRP Ripple could go through the roof and reach $375 overnight. That XRP movie is the most important one ever. Let me walk you through it one step at a time. The legal battle between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC is still the talk of the crypto world. It's getting a lot of attention not only because of Ripple's strong stance, but also because the result could change the rules for the whole industry. Since it began in 2020, the case has been a high-stakes argument between the SEC and Ripple over whether XRP, Ripple's own cryptocurrency, is a security. Many people in the crypto world see this case as a sign of whether regulations will become clearer in the future or stay unclear. In July 2023, District Judge Annalisa Torres made the important decision that Ripple's sales of XRP to institutions were in fact an illegal offering of securities. The Howey test, on the other hand, did not say that sales of XRP to regular people were assets. This decision was a win for Ripple. In some ways, there was proof that XRP sold on exchanges and used by the public did not violate securities rules. This decision gave many crypto supporters hope. This decision was quickly contested by the SEC, which filed an appeal to try to overturn it. In response, Stuart Alderati, Ripple's chief legal officer, filed a Form C to start the company's cross-appeal. He went on social media site X to explain Ripple's stance. Alderati says that Ripple's case is still strong. The court has already said that XRP is not a bond, so this point of view is valid. The case is not about whether XRP is a security in and of itself, he wrote, saying that the fact that XRP is not a security is now the law. Alderati also said that the appeals court would only be able to look at the original case record and not any other papers or evidence, which had heated arguments about documents being made public. With this careful method, Ripple is probably counting on its good track record and the current favorable ruling. Alderati said something that many people who support XRP agree with: the SEC's moves are just background noise, a bunch of distractions meant to keep Ripple in court longer, without changing the main case. He made sure to add, "The hard part of the fight is over." The idea that Ripple's situation has only gotten stronger during the ordeal. This sense of hope is shared by many in the XRP community. A well-known influencer called XRP Captain tweeted that the SEC's case would be thrown out. XRP God candle arriving, which suggests that the price of XRP might go up after Ripple wins the final battle. This excitement shows how passionate Ripple supporters are. They see a positive result as a moment that will change everything, not just for XRP, but for all digital assets in general. In its core, Ripple's cross-appeal emphasizes an important theme for the crypto world: the push for clear rules and regulations. If Ripple wins, it could question the SEC's decision to label digital assets as securities without clear and specific rules. This could set an example for other crypto companies to follow. The last words of Stuart Alderati show where Ripple stands in this ongoing legal play. Every day, Ripple's business grows and gets stronger, even while this review process goes on. From what he said, it sounds like Ripple isn't just making it through this fight. It's doing well. A strong force that is changing the future of both crypto and law. The result of this case could become a major example for others to follow. As the court battle between Ripple and the SEC goes on, all eyes are on how things are changing. Watching to see how Ripple will change the rules for dealing with digital assets in the US and around the world. That's not the end, though. It's true that the price of XRP has dropped recently, but this court battle is by no means a setback. Lots of experts are making big statements about the future of XRP's growth that might be much bigger than anyone thought possible. So what's causing all this huge optimism? What could Ripple do next that would make XRP's value go through the roof? Let's break it down. So even though it had problems since XRP fell as low as $0.51 last week and has been going down for over 40 months, some experts are now looking at patterns from the past to see if they mean a huge move is coming. This prediction, based on data analysis and technical science, says that the price of XRP might be about to explode in a way that goes beyond anyone's wildest dreams. People who own XRP have been feeling down. Ripple Lord, a well-known figure in the crypto world, wrote, "A lot of crypto traders and holders are giving up on XRP because many think the price will never go above $1 at most." Still, he made a bold forecast after that. "I think XRP will go above its all-time high in 2017. He is sure of himself because he looked at where XRP is in the Bollinger Bands, which is a technical sign that is often used to see when prices might break out. Two famous traders, Stefan Random Crypto Pal, have both Notice that XRP is beginning a period of Bollinger Band tightening. In the past, this has been a sign that the asset would go up a lot in value. As Random Crypto Pal put it, XRP is about to go through something big. Steph agreed and said that the fact that XRP is coiling on the monthly chart is a sign of possible instability and an upcoming move. The history of XRP backs up this confidence. The first time Bollinger Bands got tighter for XRP was in early 2017, when the price of the token dropped to less than a cent. After this time, XRP went up in a nearly straight line, reaching an all-time high of almost $4 in January 2018. With this amazing run, the gain was 71,381%. In 2020, a similar pattern showed up, though the findings were not as strong because of the impending SEC lawsuit. Even so, XRP still went up a lot, from 11 cents to almost $2, which is a 1,602% rise. Now that the lawsuit doesn't affect XRP's potential as much, many investors and analysts are asking if we could see growth as fast as it was in 2017. If XRP's price went up another 71,381%, it would hit an almost unimaginable $375. And its market value would reach over $21 trillion. Some people don't believe this is possible, but others say that the technology behind XRP and Ripple's continuing growth in the financial sector could allow for this growth, though it would probably take longer. Now that we've talked about XRP's possibilities, let's take a look at the exciting new partnerships and ideas that are happening in the Ripple ecosystem. These changes could be the thing that pushes the price of XRP to that elusive $375 mark and even higher. So what's really making this progress happen? Let's find out the important things that could make a big difference. So Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, recently gave important insights in an interview with Bloomberg. He mostly talked about the possibility of an XRP exchange-traded fund and what that would mean for the coin market as a whole. From his point of view, XRP could become a global currency in the future, which would open the door to price increases that many fans dream of. Garlinghouse stressed how important it was for the US to make its crypto regulations clearer right away. He was also optimistic that the current administration's strict approach would soon be replaced by a more open regulatory environment. In the same way that the US led the way with the internet, it must now lead the way with crypto innovations. This feeling shows not only how important it is for the US to catch up to countries like the UK and Switzerland that have more favorable regulatory frameworks, but also how the business itself could change in big ways. The expected start of an XRP ETF is a major reason why the price of XRP could skyrocket to unbelievable levels, possibly even $375. Garlinghouse said that an XRP ETF will happen and use the amazing $17 billion in flows seen by Bitcoin ETFs since they were approved by the SEC as proof of institutional interest. When institutional investors get into the XRP market, it could cause strong demand, which would push prices up. Also, if XRP becomes widely used as a bridge currency for deals across borders, it could completely change the way money works. The XRP Avengers message makes a very important point clear: be different. Do not go along with the crowd. Do what's right. XRP is used all over the world. This sentence sums up the idea that XRP is not just another coin. It is set up to be a way for everyone to make transactions, making foreign payments easier, faster, and cheaper. Financial institutions are becoming more aware of how useful XRP is, and the result of all the partnerships and integrations could be a big rise in demand. It is expected that legal changes will make it easier for more people around the world to use blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. This is in line with Garlinghouse's claim that a more positive relationship with the crypto industry is on the horizon. Analysts think that as XRP grows in popularity in emerging markets that don't have easy access to traditional banks, the need for a